5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta IV rocket with GOES P, completing a new weather satellite constellation, growing reliability for the weather forecaster. Now 2 nautical miles, velocity 1,834 feet per second, downrange about a half a mile. Chamber pressure is beginning to decline. 47 seconds in, now passing Mach 1, vehicle now going transonic. Passing 57 seconds, standing by for max Q, 1 minute, 1 second into the flight, maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. Chamber pressure continuing to hold good in the main engine. Good engine control. Coming up 1 minute 15 seconds, marked. System still continuing to look good. Now passing 1 minute 20 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout at about 10 seconds from now. Solid motor chamber pressure is beginning to drop as we'd expect. Burnout, standing by for SEP. And we have separation. Both solid motors have separated successfully from the vehicle. 1 minute, 49 seconds into the flight. Still looking good. Altitude now 22.6 nautical miles. Velocity 5,301 feet per second. Downrange distance 24.2 nautical miles. Chamber pressure continuing to look good in the main engine. Very smooth ride. Coming up on 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Good engine control in the first stage.
And then put them on display.
About 1 minute remains in full thrust mode. About 1 minute from now we'll toggle down to the partial thrust level. Coming up on 2 minutes, 40 seconds in. Altitude now 38 nautical miles, velocity 8,300 feet per second, downrange distance 62.7 nautical miles. Main engine control continues to look good. At 2 minutes, 55 seconds in. About 1/2 minute remains on the full thrust mode.
Look at that contrail. Rocket fuel, right?
3 minutes, 10 seconds in. Main engine chamber pressure continuing to hold rock solid. Good engine control in the first stage.
I don't see the rocket anymore.
Coming up 3 minutes, 20 seconds.
Is it called a satellite?